Hello friends, I welcome you to my channel Asmita's Learning Academy. In today's lesson, let us learn some grammatical errors that we commit when we speak. We will try to spot common grammatical errors that we commit when we speak, and we will try to rectify them so that when we speak we do not commit such mistakes. So whenever we are attending an interview or at or at office, we we have to speak in English. English has become a global language, and in order to make a good impression, we have to take care that we do not commit such grammatical mistakes. So it is important, it is necessary that we rectify those mistakes when we speak. So and why with practice and by trying to identify those errors that we commit and then trying to rectify those errors, it will go a great, it will give, it will produce a good result, it will aid to us in speaking good English, in speaking English. English. If this is a sentence, Mary was painted her room when her father came home. Now, is this grammatically correct? Mary was painted her room when her father came home is a wrong sentence. Mary, when one action happened when her father came home, another action was going on at that time. So we will have to use past continuous tense or past progressive tense. Mary was painting her room when her father came home. So she was painting her room. At that time, what happened? Her father came home. Is the grammatically correct sentence. Now, if I say, what was you doing at 7 o'clock in the evening? What was you doing is a wrong sentence. What were you doing is the correct one. What were you doing at 7 o'clock in the evening? We don't say what you was doing is a wrong sentence. So the grammatically correct sentence is, what were you doing at 7 o'clock in the evening? Did you knew the answer is incorrect sentence. Did you, when there is a verb did is in the past tense, the immediate verb that follows it should be in the present form, should be in its base form. So did you know the answer, not did you knew the answer. Did you know the answer is the correct sentence to make. See this one, when we say Sally was doing her homework while I listened to my favorite radio station. Now here one action is in past continuous tense. Sally was doing her homework while I listened to my favorite radio station. Now one action is in past continuous tense. Another action which is indicated here should also be in the past continuous tense only. So where is the error? Sally was doing her homework while I was listening to my favorite radio station. Was listening and not I listened. It will be wrong sentence to make. So Sally was doing her homework while I was listening to my favorite radio station is the correct sentence to make. Now when we say Andrew wasn't eating pizza yesterday. Now here in the sentence, yesterday indicates that the action has already taken place. It should be in the past tense. Andrew wasn't eating pizza yesterday is a wrong sentence. We will have to say that he has already done it in the past, because yesterday indicates that the action of eating pizza is completed. So Andrew did not eat pizza yesterday, and not Andrew wasn't eating pizza yesterday will be a grammatically incorrect sentence to make. This sentence, were you played football when your cat fell out of the window? Question mark at the end of it. Were you played football when your cat fell out of the window? So when your cat fell out of the window, were you playing? It should be not were you played, but were you playing? You, was your action of playing football going on at the time, at the same time when your cat fell out of the window is the correct sentence to make. Were you playing and not were you played. When we say were you played football, it will be grammatically incorrect sentence to make. So the correction should be, were you playing football when your cat fell out of the window is the correct sentence to make. So we are now here, we are in this, with the help of these sentences, we are trying to use the correct tense. If we are using wrong tense, then the message that we are trying to convey will be wrong. So therefore it is necessary that we use the correct tenses. There are 12 different tenses and we should know which tense to be used according to the correct situation, according to the correct condition that we are talking about. See, if we say last night Martin and Annie were studying from 2 to 6. Now where is the error? Last night Martin and Annie was studying from 2 to 6. Now when we are referring to two different person, the verb that should be used will be in the should be in plural. So Martin and Annie not was studying, but both of them they were. So Martin and Annie were studying. Last night Martin and Annie were studying from 2 to 6 will be the correct sentence. If we say was, it will be grammatically incorrect sentence to make. This one, he did come home late. A question mark at the end of it. He did come home late. Now when there is a question mark, it should be in the form of question. Now this sentence is this sentence structure, this sentence is grammatically incorrect. How it should be? Did he come home late? It should be the correct one. So like this, there are so many mistakes that we commit. When we say some sentences, they sound correct, they sound grammatically correct, but there are errors, and sometimes speakers they are unable to identify those errors that we commit. So therefore it is necessary that we know the correct tenses, we know correct different tenses that are there and how to make use of them, so that we are able to convey the correct message, so that we are able to speak correctly. I hope you have found this video useful. If you have found it useful, consider subscribing it and share it among your friends, and I will come up with such videos. Thank you for watching my video.